Hello, I'm Tom Varner, and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, I've come to Motorheads Bar and Grill in Springfield, Illinois, to eat lunch. Now, Motorheads, it's a bar and grill just outside of Springfield, just off of old Route 66, and they've become more well known for something. They have a small museum here, but they recently installed something that is a world's biggest. And do you see it? Do you see that? Look at that sign. It's supposed to be the world's largest Route 66 sign. It's here at Motorheads in Springfield, Illinois. I'm going to have an order of the tire fryer, mushrooms, and then no. Alright, my mushrooms have arrived.
And then his motorcycle up here.
Very good. Alright, my food has now arrived. Pretty good. You can see they've got onion, tomato, avocado, chipotle sauce. It's a good mixture. Last bite. Good.
But Nick, you know, when he was having a tough time, his neighbors fighting.
Maybe it's set up like an old Texaco station here. Got gas pumps. Tires for sale. Counter with the lube. They've even got the map rack. Look at that. And a working clock. And there's a Sunrise Donut sign. The other half of that sign is in the Ace Sign Company and their museum. Just look how the other side of this is set up. It's like an old time, a really old time gas station slash store. An old oil well. It's kind of funny. Before digging, called Judy. In Illinois, it's Julie. Boat. This old camper, covered now in classic signage. Oh my. An Empire Strikes Back lunchbox. Now that is really, really cool. Really, really cool. Route 66 map here. From Chicago. Here we are, just outside of Springfield. To LA. Here we've got an old Wendy sign. And the other side of the camper. And there's the back of the Route 66 sign. But there's something else kind of cool, somewhat odd, but kind of cool. It's here too, in the corner of this parking lot. We have an old train station. The lights, the Amtrak, Springfield, Illinois, and even the little junction station at the edge of the Motorhead parking lot. I like the look of that old car. Down all the yellow. Just stands out to me for some reason. New cars don't look this way as much, but old cars, they all look like they had faces. And I've got the restaurant, or the bar and grill, in the little museum. Now, I wasn't able to actually go inside the museum because there was a private party that was having lunch inside there, so I couldn't actually go inside the garage area there to look around what was inside, unfortunately, today. But maybe some other time I'll come back. Well, overall, I enjoyed my meal. It was very good. The mushroom spears, I can't remember what the name of it is that they called it. They were very good. It was a little bit different. It was slightly different mushroom spear than I've had before, but they tasted really good. The burger was really good. The burger was really good. Now, I was disappointed in the portion of the French fries side, or not the French fries, but the onion rings. I ordered the onion rings instead of French fries. They charge you upsize if you don't get the fries. And they charge you an upcharge if you don't get fries. And for the $2 extra, I mean, I had like 6 or 7 onion rings. There were not very many there at all. So for the price of those, it was a little pricey, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. The food was really good, but some of the stuff is a little pricey. So just be aware of that. But really good food, excellent service though. So hats off to the ladies and gentlemen working as the waiters and waitresses or the service people there. You guys were awesome, so good job to you. If you enjoy road culture, like road trips and things like that, are a fan of Route 66, and you're in the Springfield, Illinois area, it's worth stopping by here at Motorheads to check it out. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you've disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, leave a comment in the comment section. Come on, people. This is supposed to be somewhat interactive. Until next time, that's a wrap. In the words of Adam the Woo, classic car alert. Except that classic car's not going anywhere.